4-4, you're going to identify and construct parallel and perpendicular slopes. For number 8, you're going to find the perpendicular slope here. Let's take a look. This for a, y is equal to 2x minus 7. We should already notice that this here is the slope. So all we can do here is just find its perpendicular slope. So the original slope, we can write the original m, which is going to be equal to just 2. To find the perpendicular slope, we have to do the opposite reciprocal. So for perpendicular slope, we have to understand that this is going to be both opposite and the word reciprocal. Okay, mind my spelling. So it's going to be m. We flip it. So this is really 2 over 1, right? So it becomes 1 over 2. Then it becomes a negative because it represents opposite. So we flip it to represent reciprocal, then we opposite it, and that is going to be your perpendicular slope. Let's take a look at B. Oh, we can't find the equation in y equals mx plus b, so we can't get the slope very easily, so we have to convert it. So let's convert it by getting y alone. Subtract 5x to both sides. This is going to leave us with a 4y is equal to negative 5x minus 6. Now we can divide 4 to everything, leaving you with just y is equal to negative 5 over 4x minus 6 divided by 4 is negative 3 over 2. Negative 6 divided by 4. Okay, here we can say that this is the slope, so we can write here that the original, for this problem, the original slope is m is equal to negative 5 over 4. So the perpendicular slope would be m equal to, so let's flip it. It becomes 4 on top, 5 on bottom, and that negative becomes a positive. So there you go. That would be the perpendicular slope. Make sure you opposite and then reciprocal it. You change the sign and you flip it.